want to get the brain and the body talking to each other again, because it's all been switched off for so long. So it's unused to. Like, I'll say to people, can you, if you close your eyes and don't wiggle them, can you feel all the toes in your feet, on your feet? Are they there? And you know, most people can't actually do all 10. A lot of people can't do any, and pretty well people with autism can't do any, because it's all been switched off for so long. And so what happens is you start waking that up, and you can. So I get people and their toes come back online. But once their toes come back online, all sorts of other things start working more efficiently as well, because you can tell your body what to do. And when you can tell your body what to do, and you've got more myelin and more Bs, and you know, everything's rolling nicely, you actually feel stronger. And you actually feel more resilient. And this is what people say all of the time. She was just more resilient. I've never seen this person before. And I've got families and they're like, I've never seen this girl. I never expected to see this girl. Some fathers find it really challenging because they've got a 26-year-old girl who suddenly starts articulating at a high order level, and they go, we didn't know she knew all those words. And then she starts articulating, and this is what I think, with all those words. And that's even worse, because they've had, you know, in some respects, a much more childlike person who apologises for herself all of the time. And then she went, okay, and she just blossomed, and it was months. It was just months. It didn't take very long.